when we were running through the different strategies there, each of those separate parts, I think a lot of people in the room probably had a part when it came to actually identifying the customer problem. And in one sense, it sounds really simple, right? But in another, especially if you're someone who has founded a business, who has grown it to a certain degree, you are always focused on what you have to do. You're always focused on your inputs. So what would be your advice in getting better at that particular skill, at identifying a customer's problem?
That's a really good question. For 11 years, we've been in business doing what we've been doing, right? And for a long time, I thought I knew what our customer's problem was. And one of the common ones would be, well, people around the world have a fear of speaking. Apparently, the fear is so strong that they would rather speak at the funeral, be in the casket at a funeral than speak at it. Now, for me, I thought, well, that's the problem, right? People just have a fear of speaking. It took me 11 years to figure out that they don't have a fear of speaking, they have a lack of skills. For all of us, it's kind of like we think we know what the problem is, and we kind of pursue that thread and we pull on it and tug it. But we'll know if we've hit the nail in the right place because it just feels right. Like it feels so right. But as well as that, you'll start sharing that message and people are just like, you've got it. Yeah.